This is the Shorts camera that's only available in India right now. No Photoshop, no green screen. This is the real deal. I'm Rob, and I'm a YouTube product expert and a YouTube video contributor. You might be thinking that I don't know what I'm talking about because I'm standing out here in my yard making vitamin D instead of sitting in a fancy studio or in my living room. I assure you I do. I promise you I know what I'm talking about here. There's a lot of confusion about the Shorts camera, who has it, how to upload shorts, and how to get them on your channel. So you want to be sure to watch this to the end. So there's a lot of confusion right now because YouTube has beta launched this new feature called Shorts. So let's just real quick talk about a couple of things, actually three things. YouTube has had stories available for a while, and you have to have 10,000 subscribers to get stories, and then they turn it on for you. Stories are 15 seconds long. They only stay on the platform for 7 days, and then they just go away, and they are completely separate from your videos. No title, no description. You don't see the metrics unless you go, look at the story. They're completely separate and they don't impact your analytics. And that's a big deal. Stick around because I'm going to show you how to start using Shorts right away. How you can start using it, testing it, and experimenting with it to see how it works on your channel. This is kind of like the weather with watches and warnings. I can never keep them straight either. On Shorts, it's just brand new launched and it's only available in India right now at a very limited beta test. And the reason YouTube's testing it in India is TikTok is banned over there, so it's a good place. And the internet's pretty new and using the platform. And it's, Shorts is also kind of similar to Instagram Reels. The real Shorts with the camera is 15 seconds long, and you can shoot shorts on your, with your phone or even with just like this camera that I'm using now. You can shoot a short with that. Shorts are vertical, as are the stories, the vertical format on mobile. And stories is only available on mobile. You can't even watch them on a desktop platform. Shorts you can watch on desktop. You can add a title to a short, you can add a description, you can add a custom thumbnail. And what's really important is Shorts is part of your analytics with your videos. So that's something that you really, really want to think hard about, is how is having 15-second or up to 60-second if you film it without the camera, which nobody has right now, on your channel. What is that going to do to your analytics? Something to think about. It looks like Shorts won't count towards your 4,000-hour watch time requirement. So once you have Shorts available, the Shorts camera on your phone, what you do is you go to YouTube, and then up at the top, you click on the little camera. If you have stories, you have the plus sign. But if you don't, you just click on the camera. And that's another thing, is Shorts are going to be available to everyone when it is launched. Then you look at your phone, and down at the bottom, you hit the video button. And then you see the Create Short camera. So then you just hit Create a Short. And now you see this, and of course if I hold it up, you see the camera there. But so I get my face in there, and let me turn like this so I got a decent background, and then I'll hold the record button down. Hey, this is Rob on Live Life DIY, and I'm making a short to show folks how this new feature that is only available in India works. Then I let up with that, and now I've got my short. And on the phone here, you can, add some features. Then I press the next button. Hey, this is Rob on Live Life DIY, and I'm making a short to show folks how this new feature that is only available in India works. Hey, this is Rob on Live Life DIY. So then I say next because I like that. And then, here I can add up my title. I'll just say short on there. Short video, just so I can get it done here quick. And a description, testing, feature. And it's public, and now I'll upload it. So now it's uploading it to my channel. On mobile, you will see the stories and short videos shelf. Stories have the channel icon and nothing else. Shorts do not have the icon, and they have a timestamp in the corner. So remember, Stories is only available to channels with more than 10,000 subscribers. Stories is completely separate from your videos in a separate place, and it doesn't impact your analytics at all. You can't monetize, you can't add a title, description, anything, no custom thumbnail. They drop away in 7 days. Shorts, there's two kinds of shorts. When the camera becomes available to you, you'll just do it exactly like I did now. And those shorts using the camera on a mobile device with a vertical video can only be 15 seconds long. You can sort of do, YouTube's provided a workaround that you can use right now, is shoot a vertical video, make sure it's under 60 seconds with your camera or whatever, your mobile device, whatever you want to use. You can even do it on your desktop and use your editing software. Make your video less than 60 seconds vertical, add your title, add your description, add your custom thumbnail. You have to answer a couple of questions that it's, not made for kids, it's friendly and that type of thing, just like a regular video. And then it uploads to your videos. People can watch on mobile, people can watch on your desktop, people can comment. It's just like a regular video. Add hashtag shorts to the title or to the description to help YouTube understand your video is a short. And that's the thing you want to be careful of, because you want to think about how that's going to play into your metrics. If you have 15-second, 20-second, 30-second videos in vertical format, are your current subscribers and audience going to be excited about seeing those? Or are you going to have negative impact on your metrics? Down the road, the plan from YouTube is that they'll move that off of videos and they'll be separate. Maybe they'll put them with stories, make their own little shelf, I don't know. And again, this is very limited beta. So what I'm telling you today, the end of September, 1st of October, it's got to play out, and as it's tested and they modify and improve the features, who knows what we're going to end up with. So if you have more questions about shorts, let me know. Drop a comment and I'll do my best to answer it for you and show you what's going on. Subscribe, watch another video, because my goal is to help you navigate the ever-changing YouTube ecosystem. I want you to be successful on the platform.